Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to PSS Online Education. I am Muhammad Imtiaz Ali, your physics teacher. Today I am going to explain about thermal radiation. What is thermal radiation? Thermal radiation is the emission of electromagnetic waves from all matter which heat up things that absorb them. Look at the picture. The sun is emitting electromagnetic waves and this is absorbed by the surface of the earth, and that's why it will heat up. This is about thermal radiation. Right now I am going to explain about emitters, absorbers and reflectors. Look at the point. Best emitters of radiation are also best absorbers but worst reflectors. That means which will emit most of the heat, they will absorb most of the heat but reflect less amount of heat. For example, matte black. And the second point, best reflectors of radiation are worst emitters and worst absorbers. That means which will reflect most of the heat, they will absorb less amount of heat and they will emit less amount of heat. For example, silver. Right now I am going to explain about the solar panel. The solar panel uses the sun's thermal radiation to warm up water for the house. The black-ended layer absorbs the radiant energy and warms the water flowing through the pipes. Look at the picture. There is a storage tank and here the warm water will be stored, and there is a pipe. From that pipe the cold water will go, and there is a black-ended layer behind the pipe, and the black surface will absorb the heat from the sun, and when the cold water will go through that pipe, it will absorb the heat and it will turn into warm water, and again it will come back to the storage tank. That is the process how we can get warm water. Right now I am going to explain about the vacuum flask. Look at the picture of vacuum flask. There is a plastic stopper and there is double-walled metal or plastic container, then silver surface double glass bulb, and at the end you can see the insulated support. So what are the features of vacuum flask? Number 1, a stopper to reduce convection. Number 2, a double-walled container with a gap between the walls. Air has been removed from the gap to reduce conduction. And the third one, walls with silvery surface to reduce thermal radiation. That means by the three processes, conduction, convection and radiation, heat cannot go out by using that three process, and that's why when you are keeping hot water it will remain hot, or when you are keeping cold water it will remain cold for a long time, because heat cannot go outside or no heat can go inside the vacuum flask. So hope all of you understand my explanation. Thank you so much. And one important advice to all of you, that is stay home, stay safe and say your prayer 5 times a day.